Are you looking to change the email address associated with your Clickup account? Maybe you've switched to a new email, started a fresh work project, or just want to keep things organized. In this video, I'm going to walk you through every step of updating your email address in Clickup using the most current settings for 2024. By the end, you'll have a new email linked to your account, and you'll understand exactly how to do it yourself, confidently and securely. Let's jump right in. First, you'll need to open up your Clickup workspace. If you're already logged in, just head over to the main dashboard. This is where everything in Clickup starts. All your tasks, spaces, and conversations are managed here. Think of the workspace as your hub, the central station for all your productivity. If you have multiple workspaces, make sure you're in the one where you want your email changed. Once you're in your workspace, look up at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon. It might be your photo, initials, or a generic icon if you haven't updated your profile yet. Go ahead and click on that icon. This opens up a drop-down menu where you can access various account controls. Your profile icon is like your passport within Clickup, so whenever you need to tweak personal settings, this is your starting point. Next, from that drop-down, find and click on Settings. The Settings page is where you can manage everything about your account, from notifications to integrations and, yes, your email address. I recommend taking a quick look around if you're new. There's a lot you can customize here. Under the My Settings section, you'll see your current email address displayed. Now, this is the section that lets you make personal changes, and updating your email is one of the most important ones, especially if you change jobs or want to keep work and personal life separate. Clickup needs a current email to send you updates, notifications, or password reset requests, so it's worthwhile to keep this info current. Type in your new email address in the appropriate field. Sometimes you might need to double-check your spelling here. Even one missing character can prevent emails from getting to you. If you're moving from a work to a personal email, make sure the change won't affect access to any company-managed spaces or memberships you might have. It's always a good idea to let any other admins know you're switching, especially if you use Clickup collaboratively. After you've entered your new address, look towards the lower right corner of the page and click Save Changes. This is a critical step. If you forget to save, your new email won't be updated and you'll need to repeat the process. When you hit save, Clickup immediately recognizes the request for a change. For security, Clickup will prompt you to confirm your identity. You'll be asked to enter your password. This is a simple but important safety check, making sure nobody else can change your login credentials, even if they gain temporary access to your computer. Type in your password, take your time if needed, and then confirm. That's it. Once you've confirmed, Clickup will switch your account over to the new email address. You might be sent a verification email, so check your inbox and follow any additional instructions if needed. And there you have it, your email is now updated and you're good to go. If this video helped you, please consider hitting the like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or run into issues. Don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and happy working in Clickup.